demonic in nature.
Hey,
Mom,
Tom.
you're fighting something that you can't see and can just do it once at will.
Please took up the middle finger at me.
You put on top of it that it's demonic.
Please took up the middle finger at me.
We have to figure out why this has followed you here. When we spoke on the phone, we talked about your past experiences. Do you remember anything that might
I'm
be
printing.
connected to this?
Major luck! Thomas, that charger that you're using is half broke, so if you don't stop using it, your iPad won't charge, and then both of our iPads will be dead. So you don't want your iPad to be charged so you can go into it all day.
Candace,